Oh gosh, where do I start? The Millings is a place totally unlike any other. It's a care home with a difference. I've worked at the Millings for 12 years as an activities coordinator, and they've been some of the most rewarding years of my life.
All of our residents love to play balloon badminton, and I get pestered from week to week if it's not been put on the list. Our residents are very competitive. They love to have good names for themselves. Lottie's Lovebirds and Marge's Marvels.
The activities are varied but resident-led. It's nice to get their input, do what they want to do. Just because you've come into a care home, you shouldn't cease to be.
We also do outings. We've got places organised ready for the summer. We've got boat trips, we've got summer fairs, we've got coffee mornings, and we've got outings into Beedale, the local ice cream parlour. You name it, we'll give it a go.
Just because you're 80, 90 or 100, it doesn't mean that life should stop for you.
We can't replace home, but we can be a very good second best. We really believe that life starts at the Millings.